Alright, so we're going to do endurance test on these URGENEX 2200 50C LiPos. They should be pretty fast. So we're going to use the carbon 12 and the LC12B. They're pretty comparable in quality and performance. So my daughter's going to help me. I bamboozled her to do it. So we'll get running in a minute and he'll catch us on the track.
And we'll see what she's got. I'm going to be doing all these benchmarks with the LC because that makes the most sense, most control. This is a 2 battery pack. There's going to be a link in the description. I believe he's got them on sale right now. These things can fit in all of my rigs. The HBXs, that's what I like about them. These are the right size. So like all those cars you normally get your lithium ions on, this is a perfect solution for it. So you see the size is almost the same. It's actually a little bit smaller. So this is going to work really well. I'll get these batteries charged up, and we'll see how long they last and how well they do. Now these are 50C, so they got some punch. I'll be able to use these for speed runs and all kinds of stuff. Really, I'd like to thank the URGENEX guys for sending these out to us. They got it to me in like 2 days. It was crazy. Anyways, so hopefully hopefully these things perform as well as they say, and we got another nice battery for the channel. These guys have been real nice, so hopefully everything works out. We'll also comes with a charger, so you get 2 batteries and a charger in this deal. They're all 2S. They got 3S. They got all kinds of different batteries, so you can check them out on Amazon. That's their big selling place. And I'll put a link in the description, but this is going to be another one of them long running videos. We're going to get the battery charged and we're going to get the LC out on the track. So be right back.
Well, the start of our timer, testing 2 cars at once. We'll see they're pretty comparable. They're both 2800 series. Actually they're both 2838s, 35 and a 30 amp. New wall ride, but I'm not sure how I'm not sure how good it is yet. This will be the first test of the new change of the transition. What's going on my phone, man?
What? How do I make it not go backwards?
What do you mean? Alright, so we got some new carpeted. And this is the carbon 12. Lauren's got the LC. So let's see. Yeah, wall ride's nice. Wall ride is nice. What, babe? Here, take this one for a minute. Yeah, it's been like 3 weeks since you played with me. You'll like this car anyways. This is the one we're gonna build for $100, minus the body. Your steering's in reverse. Whoa, that was good. Oh yeah. The wall ride's real easy, Lauren. You don't even have to go fast. So we gotta go till these batteries die. New rugs, guys. Oh, I forgot to check the temp. What's the temperature? 84? So it's about the same as it was when we tested those other beds. I think I might have to put a board across that. You want a little help? There you go. That's such a pretty car.
Alright, let's get serious here. We're supposed to be testing batteries.
Alright, let's get serious here. We're supposed to be testing batteries. Change the jumps around. Ooh. I like that dual interaction there. This is gonna be fun. Once this is all carpet, Lauren, then I'll have to build a canopy over it so we can drive it in the winter. What happened? Oh, it's Velcro, so you just kind of push it on. Well, we have a delay game. My daughter got stung, but we were going, I don't know, I'll check the timer. I think my head camera went, battery died in it too, so probably lost that footage. It's one of them days. So we might have to recharge and rerun. We'll see. I don't think there's much left in them. Because that was a good 20 minutes, I want to say. So let's check our temps real quick. (52 Celsius). 123. 128, that's not bad. 96, really cool. 114. 115, yeah, and I worked her. Yep, so I think they're doing good. Well, I gotta go take care of my daughter. On to the next adventure. Sorry, camera.
Bye.